Hello, welcome back guys to Spotter channels here. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to remove watermark photo on a Motorola GL6 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, here I'm gonna tap on this application from the camera application first, of course, and I'm gonna take a shot. And now this is for the result, yeah guys. When I get a picture, there are a watermark at the bottom like this. So if you want to remove it or if you want to non-activate, you just have to go to this settings icon at the top right in the corner of the screen camera. Tap on it. Now we'll see the watermark options. Now tap on it. If you want to remove it, you just have to tap on this button beside the watermark option. I'm gonna tap on it. So the watermark is already non-activated, and when we get a shutter, at the result, the picture, there are no watermark again, yeah guys. I'm gonna tap on it again. I'm gonna shutter, and now for the result, there are no watermark at all. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.